Hi guys, today we're making something warm, creamy, and deeply comforting Filipino chicken sopas. This isn't just a soup, it's the kind of dish that you crave on a cold day when you're not feeling your best or when you just need something that feels like a hug in a bowl. In the Philippines, sopas is often served during rainy weather or when someone at home is feeling a little bit under the weather. It's simple, nourishing, and quietly powerful. Let's get started. First, we chop all our vegetables. In a large pot, over medium heat, add in some butter. Then in goes the garlic. Let it gently sizzle, followed by the onions. Cook them slowly until soft and slightly sweet. And then we're gonna chop our celery. In goes the celery. Then we're gonna dice our carrots as well. Give everything a stir and let the vegetable soften. Already the kitchen smells like something good is about to happen. I have some green beans. Now the chicken stock. You can make your own chicken stock. Now we're gonna add in our pasta, which I have the penne pasta. I think it's more appropriate to use the shell pasta or something like fusilli. Something smaller than the penne, or maybe even macaroni pasta. I got some mushrooms. And some cooked chicken that I have. It's time to add in the cabbage. Of course, a little bit of black pepper. Instead of using cream, we use evaporated milk, which is typically what is used in making sopas. Let's simmer it for the last time. And then voila, it's ready. When everything is soft like this, the cabbage, everything is tender, the pasta. So I made some butter, toast with a lot of butter. It's a good way to make use of your leftover vegetables in the fridge. Let's give this a try. Still really hot. I'm gonna burn my tongue here. It's hot. Thank you for watching.